Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 15 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1935. Maximum number of words you can type. So let's read the problem statement. There is a malfunctioning keyboard where some letters keys do not work. All other keys on the keyboard work properly. We have given a string text of words separated by a single space, right? No leading or trailing spaces, and string broken letters of all the distinct letter keys that are broken, right? We have to return the number of words in text you can fully type using this keyboard. All right, so here if you see example number 1, broken letters are A and D, right? So in the first word, A is not there and D is also not there, so we are going to type this word, right? Can we type this? No, because D is here, right? Broken. We can't type word because the D key is broken, right? So only one word we can type, right? Output is 1. Example number 2, broken letters are L and T. So here L is here, right? And T is also here, so we can't write this. We can write this, right? So we cannot type leet because the L and T keys are broken. That's it. Example number 3, broken letter is E. So E is here, we can't write this. E is also here, we can't write this, 0. So we can't type either words because the E key is broken, right? And these are the constant. Text dot length from 1 to 10 to 4. Broken letters dot length is 26, right? So all values are distinct only, right? So A to Z max is 26, right? And text consists of words separated by a single space without any leading or trailing spaces. Each word only consists of lowercase English letters, and broken letters consist of distinct lowercase English letters. All right. So how we are going to solve this problem? So there is one way, right? So here this is my text, right? A string. So it always consists of two words, right? And separated by one space. So first I'm going to just make these two as two words, right? This string as two words, right? This is the first thing. Second thing I can do here, one thing I can use set. Okay, in the set I can add A and D, okay, all the characters of this broken letter string. And then here while iterating over the word, I'm going to search if my word contains A or if my word contains D. If it doesn't contain A and D, then we can type this, then add 1, right? Same way I'm going to check this word. So this is one way you can use set. And you can also solve this problem without using set, right? Using index of. So for this A, just find what is the index of A in this particular word. So if you get -1, that simply means that A is not here. Same way you are going to search for D. So if index of D in this word is -1, that simply means that you can't see any D here in this particular word. Then you have to write this, okay? Then you have to count this, right? So there are two ways to solve this, right? So let's you can try with set, right? I'm just going to simply solve this problem using index of, right? Set is very simple. Just add these two in one set and then just search over this word, right? So let's write the code, nothing complex here. Let me just maximize the screen. And here what you need to do, first we have to split the words into a array, you can say, right? So words is equal to, how I'm going to do that? So text, this is my string, here split, okay? This is what I'm going to use based on this space, right? So I split this, now I have two words. Now here int count is equal to 0, right? And then I'm just going to iterate over all the words in my words array, right? So I'm just going to use enhanced for loop, string word in words, right? And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one variable boolean can type, and I'm going to set it to false. Let's say initially it is true, right? Initially let's say it is true, okay? So if in the end it also remains true, then I will just simply increment the count. Otherwise I will not change anything. Okay, so here now I'm going to check all the words in one by one in my broken letters string. So here broken letters, and here you have to write to char array. Okay, done. And now here inside this I'm just going to check if my this particular word, right? If word dot in this word, just find the index of this particular character. Okay, so if it is -1, okay, if it is not equal to -1, right? So broken letter found in word, that simply means broken letter found in -1. If it is -1, then it simply means that we don't have this particular character. So if the word is found, so I'm just going to write here can type, I'm just going to update this to false, and now break it. Now we don't need to search any further, right? And that's it. And here if can type, if you can type, okay, then only if it is true, then only increment the count, and otherwise from here you have to simply return count. That's it. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is safety, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.